Every night, countless homeless kittens roam the streets in search of food and shelter. These innocent creatures are often left to fend for themselves, facing dangers such as traffic, disease, and harsh weather conditions. But it doesn't have to be this way. You can make a difference. By showing kindness and compassion to these homeless kittens, you can help improve their lives and give them a chance at a better future. So next time you see a homeless kitten on the street, don't just walk by. Stop and lend a helping hand. Together, we can make a difference. Protect homeless kittens. Show them love and kindness. They deserve it.